We go to the story now of a teen who has been home for over a month after he was injured in an attack by bullies from his school. The child's mother is demanding justice for her son. Kirk Wright has the details.
Talisa Hamilton is fuming. Her 15-year-old son was beaten by bullies who then went on to brag about the incident on social media. If that wasn't bad enough, they posted pictures of the wounded teen claiming they would do it again.
They claim to be the evil twin. Yeah, that was what the song was saying. And they did it already and they will do it again.
How you feel about all of this, Mom?
When I saw that video, the whole of the blood drained from my body. I was so upset. I was shaking.
The victim is a student of the St. Thomas Technical High School. Miss Hamilton explained he's constantly harassed by a group of male students his age. On May 15, as he exited the school gate, he was attacked. The boys used a piece of iron to hit him in the head. Miss Hamilton says she was informed by the school of the incident and took him to get medical attention.
According to the doctor, when he saw the injury and when he tested my son the day I brought him to the hospital, he told me that if he had received one more blow to that same spot in the head, he would have died. The wound in his head was too deep to stitch.
Miss Hamilton says her son's quick thinking to block more blows to the head resulted in injuries to his hand. She says the follow blows to the head caused him neck injuries.
As far as I understand, from what I'm hearing, they have been bullying my child for a while. They have been bullying him. They will see him in the hallway and they shove him, laugh and with their friends and they go on. They have been doing it for a while. The day before the incident, one of the boys, all of them surround him and one of the boys actually box him.
She says it was an exchange on social media between her son and the boys who boxed him that led to the attack. While he has done the recommended head scans, the doctors have not still given him the go-ahead to resume classes. It has been a month since he has been out of school. However, at least 2 of the accused are back at school from the 15-day suspension. How do you feel about how the school has dealt with it?
I am disappointed because I cannot understand how it is that you committed attempted murder against my child and you are permitted to go back to school before he has recovered. I just cannot understand that part of the system. According to the principal, that is the protocol. So I'm not blaming her. She says that's the protocol, but I don't understand that system because how is it that you can go back to school before he has even recovered? 15 days suspension is just not good enough.
When our St. Thomas correspondent went to the school to get a comment, he was told that the principal was out and that no one else was prepared to speak on the issue. The matter will be called up in court on Monday. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
Still to come this evening, street light theft continues to be a major problem for JPS. And in business news, NCB Financial Group sells more than half its stake in Bermuda-based Clarion Group. We'll be right back.